You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the International Moving Podcast by SDC International Shipping. In this episode, we're sharing a real-world story that captures the emotion, challenges, and triumphs of moving across the globe with the help of a trusted partner. Meet the Rivera family. The Rivera family lived in a quiet, comfortable life in San Jose, California. Emily was a freelance graphic designer. Her husband, Michael, taught high school history. And their two children, Liam and Sophia, were active in school and sports. But after a summer vacation in Europe 2 years ago, the Riveras were struck by the idea, what if we actually lived here? After months of discussion, they decided to take a leap and move to Portugal, where the pace of life was slower, the cost of living was lower, and the opportunity for a fresh start was too good to pass up. But they were facing big questions. How do you even start moving an entire household overseas? That is when Emily found SDC International Shipping after researching international movers from California to Europe. From the first phone call, she said she felt reassured. The relocation specialist assigned to their case helped them understand what to expect, from packing and creating their heirloom furniture to navigating customs in Portugal. Packing day and ocean freight. When moving day came, SDC team arrived on time with custom crating for fragile items, high-grade wrapping materials, and a clearly labeled inventory system. Their California king bed, Kitchener appliances, Liam's telescope, and even Sophia's handmade dollhouse were carefully secured in a 40-foot full container load shipment. Their car, a hybrid SUV, was also included in the container, saving the family thousands compared to booking separate vehicle transport. Customs, visa, and smooth transitions. Portugal's custom regulations required a detailed inventory, proof of residency, and a non-sale declaration, which SDC helped prepare in advance. The family also used SDC's resources to understand the D7 visa, a popular residency option for those with passive income or remote work. After arriving in Lisbon, the container arrived within 6 weeks. Everything cleared customs without delay. And now a new chapter in Portugal. Today the family lives in a sunlit 3-bedroom apartment, just a short train ride from Lisbon. Michael teaches English part-time. Emily continues her design work remotely, and the kids have adapted beautifully to their new international school. Looking back, Emily said, "We couldn't have done it without SDC. It wasn't just about moving our stuff. It was about moving our life. They made sure we felt confident, informed, and cared for every step of the way." Make your international move possible. Are you dreaming of a move to Europe? Whether it's Portugal, France, Spain, or Italy, SDC International Shipping helps California families relocate with confidence. Call us 877-339-0267 or visit sdcinternationalshipping.com to schedule a free quote and consultation.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.